what's up YouTube? TMB again. They are part of the other day where I feed cow sugar, otherwise known as guango. Yeah, feed cow sugar. Batch the power low so we don't have no long video. But I want to say one love to everyone. I want to say thanks. I want to shout out Darren. Yeah man, Darren in Canada. Big up Darren every time. The one I definitely feel. But the first we feed mango like how we feed cow sugar now. Cow sugar still stand up. The only problem with it, you will full up your pen and guango tree. So you have to know if you have them started floor there, you have to clean down your floor because hope a guango will grow, you know. So you have to keep up your pen clean. Otherwise, I have no problem with cow sugar. I have no problem with mango neither. I might go through mango, but we're not really fussy for mango right now. Yeah, them say mango is a cow, but you know say girl eat any mango and there's nothing to him. You know? Yeah man. So YouTube fans and friend, what you doing? Lockdown weekend for Jamaica again. Today is Sunday. Yeah man, so you know say lockdown weekend yesterday 4 o'clock and today at 2 o'clock. So right now we still draw up to lockdown time, but we in the bush, we don't have no time, you know, we just roll with the goat them and we all the way eat and them eat and enjoy themselves and going. Cause you know say so we have to spend more time with them. Cause time is really important with the goat feed, cause the goat look nice and round. The goat there come out on different flock, you know. The goat there with the black kid there. But one of my goat gone with the flock there to him kid. So me there wait for him. He up there so make bag of nice. I wait for her if he turn back because she go on like she unruly. And she unruly, I have to make she learn the hard way, you know what I mean? So, she call them about them and I go, you say them go to pretty. No drenching on, no medicine for them because them pretty. Shine and pretty to Upper Guango. You know. Kid I run a bush from early with them. So kid always get milk for kids. Family has to go. Sorry, me to pay. But you don't